not a graphic designer, you don't know how to do Photoshop, you don't know anything about it, right? You don't even know where to get designs. All right. So in this video here, I'm gonna break down to you a great options that you can use or something that I used when I got started, right? And that's gonna be stock transfers. So stock transfers basically are transfers that like gets printed sublimation, it gets printed screen printing. There's different print methods with those, right? But the whole thing about it, you don't have to worry about the design. There's a company that have designs that are basically like they have done the research and know that these designs work, they're hot, they're trending. So when I started, I started off in the Christian niche. So I used to go over to Pro World and grab transfers, like stock transfers from their bundle. I'm going to show you everything on the computer in a little bit. I went over there, grabbed the ones that I knew was nice. Like I did so much with this one that was called God Got Me. God Got Me transfers made me so much money at the beginning. That's how I was able to actually buy my first heat press. I was able to like do a lot of things starting off just pushing those stock transfers on some custom shirts. And all I needed to do that was my heat press. I went over to Pro Raw. I was able to order it the same day and pick it up. That was golden. Okay, so if you're looking for an option like that, I want to show you some of the nice ones that I use and all the different categories that you can actually get stock transfers from. So you don't have to be overwhelmed with thinking about being a graphic designer or paying for Photoshop and not using it, or even some other design subscription, right? Some of y'all might just be on Etsy spending money here and there. But if you can just think about getting started using stuff that companies already offer, you don't have to worry about breaking the bank or anything. You just go out there, test out these designs, get some proof of concept, and if they work, they work. If they don't, you don't have anything in stock, right? The other company has them. Okay, so shout out to companies that can do that, like companies like ProWorld, and I love all the different options they have. All right, so if you're ready to get that value, hit the link down below. Let's jump over into the ProWorld's website, and I'll show you all the different options there. Okay, so once you hit the link down below, you're brought over to this site here, ProWorld's website, and there's a lot that goes on this site here. What I want you to focus on, though, is going to be the heat transfers, because we're talking about screen printed stock transfers, right? And you can see all the different options they have here. Like they have screen printed ones, they have numbers, they have mixed media, they have bestsellers. Like you can go to this bestseller graphic ones here and swap through these and find transfers that are ready to print. Like this pink one right here, we're get into breast cancer month. This is probably something you can use. I actually did something like this around that time, and I was using this design here to go to vending events, right? Like I was selling shirts at the flea market using this stuff right here from Pro Raw, y'all. If you found value to this video, go ahead, smash the like button one time for me. And if you like this here, let me know in the comments, all right? If you want to see more videos like this, also leave that in the comments. You understand? You can get the flags. The flag gang sheet is cool because most, like some shirts is cool. You can put the flag on the sleeves. So it's good to have a bunch of those. But also the pricing here is cool. They have a price break. Okay, so the price break here, if you get one, you're paying $3.49. But if you can get 12 or more, I usually always shoot for the high, right? So I always got 12 plus so I can save money down here. $1.99 per sheet. It's the best bang for my buck. But this is actually gang sheet. So there's 6 pieces on there for $1.99. Okay, so you can find a bunch of niches on here. There's some niches on the left side of this page. So let's say you're going into the religion ones, right? Like I did when I got started. I was able to come over here. Even this fear over faith one, I used to push this as well. You know, this God got me one right here. This God got me design got me so much. Like this design right here was the ultimate winner for me. Okay, and I had nothing to do but to apply them at the temperature that was required by Pro World. You can scroll through here as well. If this is the niche that you want to get into, you can go through here and find all these awesome designs right at push of a button. They'll be delivered, or you can pick it up. If you're local with Pro World, you can go ahead and pick it up from them. That's what I did. I used to pick them up every day on my way home from work. Real Women Pray every day. That would be a dope one there. Like if you're into it, all the bright colors, like most people like the bright color stuff, This Faith, Hope, and Love is a good one. That looks good. These are all designs. If you're in my niche, in the Christian niche, these are all things that sell like those Christian bookstores. This is what they're selling there. Okay. But you don't have to be the designer. All you got to do is purchase these, buy them in bundles, and test them out, see if they work. And if they do, you just go ahead and start buying these, right? And you don't have to print them, just print them on demand. That means like you are at an event, you got a few of these samples up, somebody choose this one, you just go ahead and press it. In like 15 seconds, they can have their garment ready to go. All right, so that's the value you can have using. I actually still have some of these laying around. This one right here. It's the value you will have when you use stock transfers instead of choosing a design and designing your own or being a graphic designer. You can actually start winning early in the game at a very first day or something like that, right? Even this one here, I used to move this one here. This was one of my designs as well. Not one of my designs, but one of the ones that I was pushing through Pro World. All right, so that's it there, man. I just wanted to show y'all some of the options that you have when you don't have graphic design skill. All right, y'all. So I hope you found value in this video. And if you did, go ahead and smash the like button one time. Subscribe if you're new, right? I just wanted to show you that option there in case you don't have any graphic design knowledge. You probably don't even know where to grab transfers at first. You don't know what gang sheet is. You have no idea how to set up the artwork and any of that, right? You can just go the route of using stock transfers from company like ProRaw, right? Awesome transfers. I did it for years. That guy got me design, made me my first, I think like my first $1,000. You think it's not big? It's not a big deal. Oh, it's $1,000, but that's a big deal when you're just trying to make extra dough, right? And I told you from this video, if you're trying to make extra dough, this is the best way to go. Custom stock, custom transfers from ProRaw. All right. Appreciate y'all for watching this video. If you got any questions, leave it down in the description. Use the link down below to get over there. And I see y'all in the Facebook group. It's called Fire Up the Heat Press. I'm out. Peace.